the specification part. As we can see, the JBL Vibe Beam True Wireless headphone. The first see how exactly, if we want to know that the quality is good, because JBL is all known for his best sound quality. And this is what the design I'm quite happy with the design. And 32 hours of battery life is there, 8 hours plus 24 hour with the speed charge. So exactly what we can see that charging, when you charge the case, so you will get 32 hours of battery. So 10-minute charging is 2 hour of battery that you can get. So definitely it is actually the battery capacity of a earbud, not a case. So 32 hours that you can get from case, and 8 hours that you can get from earbuds. And the other thing that, okay, so this is what exactly the sound quality. And definitely it does have ENC support. That means if you are walking anywhere during calls, so that time you will not gonna face any problems. So that is what exactly the good thing about. And let's check out the review ratings. So the quality of the product is all good, what the customer like it. So customer exactly quite happy and satisfied with this product. So definitely I think that this is actually one of the best product in the market, especially earphones. So definitely you can go with this. If you want to purchase, you can check the description down below if you want to purchase this. Thank you.